Gross. Disgusting spider webs every trash day? I wish I didn't have to deal with these dirty trash can handles. There must be a smarter way.
What's wrong, Joe? Oh, you have those nasty spiders on your trash can handle too?
Yes, I'm terrified of spiders, and I dread those sticky webs touching my hands every trash day. It's so gross. I don't know what to do.
I had that problem too, but now I have Trash Tight.
What's Trash Tight?
It's a simple and easy-to-use solution that completely covers your trash can handle, preventing spiders from making their homes where your hands touch.
That's so cool. Trash Tight stops the spiders and their webs. It's like pest control without poisonous chemicals. I love that. Trash Tight looks amazing. How's it work?
It's easy to put on and is always there to keep your hands clean and safe. You never need to take it off, even on trash day. So there's no hassles.
That worked fantastic. Where do I get mine?
You can order your Trash Tight at trashtight.com or from your favorite online store and see the difference.
Thank you for your help, Sarah. I'm definitely going to order one right now.
You are welcome. Now you can roll clean with Trash Tight.
TrashTight.com